goal is not to completely eliminate any risk. That's not realistic. The goal is to minimize our exposure. Number one would be to shred documents with personal information on them. You just want to take away any possibility of someone getting their hands on that information. The next thing is you don't want to give out your personal information unless you know who you're dealing with. If someone calls you and they start asking for personal information, don't give it out. If you get an email and there's a link in that email and you follow that link and then it asks for personal information, don't enter it. If you think it's legitimate, then either go to the website yourself, hang up on that call, that person that just called you, and look up the phone number and call back. And if it's legitimate, then you'll still be able to take care of whatever the issue is. The first two are to contact the police, have a police report filled out. And the second thing is to contact the credit bureaus, get a copy of your credit report. While you're dealing with the credit bureau, I suggest you ask them to put a credit freeze on your name and social security number that keeps anyone else from accessing your credit file. So it kind of stops the bleeding. And then the last thing is to be patient, but be persistent. Be persistent, but understand that it's going to take time.